So I'm here in New Albany, Ohio, and Robert's backing off the trailer here. A hot-rodded Ford 8N tractor with shooting flames. And here he comes. It's got a small block V8. Robert bought this from Arnold in Camarillo, California. So Arnold, here's your tractor. Robert's real pleased with it. He's going to drive it home. That's it from the road. You guys have a good day. Talk at you later. If you need custom hauling done for your hot-rodded tractor or your hot rod or your project or your completed vehicle, give me a call, 260-804-6695. Have a good weekend.